Mother's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate her than with a beautiful homemade brunch. Whether you're making this for your mom or treating yourself, today I'll be sharing brunch ideas that are both unique and so easy to put together. A lot of you have found my channel through my Swedish pancake video. You guys love this recipe, so I couldn't make this video without including it. This is a great recipe to try if you're thinking of making pancakes but want to try something a bit different. Swedish pancakes are not only delicious, they are super easy to make. All you need are eggs, flour, milk, a pinch of salt, and butter to cook in. These pancakes are thin, buttery, have crispy edges with a soft middle. They're traditionally served with a jam like strawberry jam and also fresh whipped cream. But other great toppings are also Nutella, berries, and bananas. And if you want to go really special, try a sweet pistachio spread. I'm telling you, I've tried it and it works. Of course, no Mother's Day is complete without a thoughtful gift. So in this part of the video, I'm working with Louisa to bring you amazing jewelry gifting ideas. If you've been following along for some time, you'll know that I am a huge fan and customer of Louisa. I've bought pieces for myself, for my mother, and we're both huge fans. Their pieces are stylish, timeless, and elegant, and designs start at only $39. The best part is that they seem to never tarnish. I have pieces from 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and they still look the same. I used to buy a lot of my jewelry from high street stores. They would always end up going green or black, and they would leave marks on my fingers. And I've just stopped doing that, and I'm sticking to Louisa because I get the same designs, but in higher quality and for a reasonable price. Whether you're looking for something dainty or something personalized, like the first letter of your mom's name or her gemstone, or chic statement pieces like these, Louisa has it all. And in my opinion, their jewelry is just such a beautiful way to show a love and appreciation in style and without breaking the bank. Honestly, if you don't love them, they have a great return policy, although I highly doubt that you'll need it. Now, back to more food. One of my favorite things to make that takes next to zero time are smoked salmon on store-bought latkes. You can also make these on roasties for thinner and crispier edges. And of course, these are also easy to make from scratch. But if you're really busy and stressed out and need something quick and delicious, store-bought will also do it, like these Trader Joe's latkes. You just pop them in the oven for 15 minutes, and while that is crisping up, you can chop up your shallot, rinse and dry your dill, and prepare any other toppings you'd enjoy, like chives, avocado, lemon, and maybe even caviar if you're feeling extra bougie. I also always include either creme fraiche or sour cream to dollop on the latkes. When the latkes are ready, place them on a rack to cool down for 5 minutes so the creme fraiche doesn't melt. Then it's time to assemble, and you can do it in whatever order you like or try different things for each bite. These are gorgeous bites and great as appetizers or a side dish. I've given you some brunch ideas that are traditional to a Western culture, but if you want to try something a little bit different, I highly recommend trying a Persian tomato egg dish called Omelette Godje. I grew up with these as an Iranian in Sweden, and it's still one of my favorite breakfast brunch foods, and I make it on a regular. It's similar to a shakshuka, but with milder flavors. You start by cooking tomatoes down in turmeric, salt, and pepper. Totally optional, but you can also add tomato paste to give this a deeper and fuller flavor. But plain tomatoes work just as well. Once the tomatoes have cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes and is starting to become this thick sauce, make small wells and crack your eggs in there. When the egg starts to coagulate, you can scramble a little bit, but don't break the eggs too much. Serve with a flatbread like lavash or pita. A tip is that if you have a Persian supermarket, get their noon barbari or noon sangak, more traditional to this dish. If you don't have a Persian supermarket and can't find lavash or pita, a baguette works as well. Persians love baguette. You also want to have feta cheese with this. The salt and creaminess of the cheese goes so well with this dish. Other sides for a Persian breakfast are cucumber, walnuts, sometimes olives, and if you want to make it super traditional, add a side of herbs as well. This is, in my opinion, comfort food at its best. If you're looking to bake something sweet that is not overwhelmingly difficult, my peach and strawberry with apricot crumble is a great bake. This is yet another recipe of mine that's influenced by my Swedish background. These fruits are slowly coming into season at this time of the year, but if you can't find these specific fruits, this recipe is super versatile, so you can choose any fruit or berry you like. The crumble is made of just a few ingredients: flour, oats, butter, and sugar, and it comes together super fast with the tip of your fingers. I love the natural colors of these fruits. It gives the pie such a spring vibe, and the whole thing is such a beautiful celebration bake. Serve with vanilla ice cream, or if you're feeling very fancy, you can make a creme anglaise. Speaking of pies, a savory pie or a quiche is also a unique and special option for brunch. It's got eggs, it's got cheese, so it's very breakfast friendly. And you can fill it with about anything you like. I know in America, a lot of people buy their pie crusts from the store, but I have a crust recipe that is so simple and only contains flour, butter, and water. So you can easily make this at home the same day, or prepare the night before and keep it in the fridge until you're ready to bake. I have a video showing you how I make it with a lovely creamy chicken stew filling, but you can make a much easier version like a spinach and cheese quiche, an egg and bacon quiche, or a mushroom quiche. The options are endless, and you can get as creative as you like. Those are my tips for brunch ideas you can easily put together for Mother's Day. And if you want to buy mom a special gift, don't forget to go to the link in the description box below to browse through the beautiful jewelry collection at Louisa. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the bell button next to it so you can get more videos like these.